Hello, my name is Robert Dean Steele, and this is the word of the Lord for us today. Return, return, return. Return to the Lord is the cry of the Spirit today. And many have abandoned their walk with the Lord, and the time clock is clicking. There is little time left for those who walked away from the Lord. You do not know the day or the hour that the Lord is coming back. And you play with your life and eternity as if you're playing with some sort of game. But your game could cost you your eternal soul. You have wasted your time, your talents, and resources on things that do not last. You've reached the pinnacle of human success, but you're barren in your soul. You have chased after the things that do not last. And you've lost the most important thing. The pleasures, passions, and possessions of this world are fleeting and hollow. And yet you chase after them as if they're the most precious thing of all. You have prepared for retirement, but not for eternity. You have spent all your time and talents giving to people and companies with no thought of how you will benefit in the future. The Lord has been patient with you, but your time is running out. And the consequences of your actions will soon come. Disease and sickness will be part of your future. You'll live in pain and despair. There is a time of health, healing, and victory. The Lord counsels you to go and let go of your vain conceit. Remember the charge to the Laodicean church. They were rich, increased with goods, lacking nothing. But in reality, they were wretched, pitiful, naked, poor, blind, and lame. This is your condition. But the Lord wants to give you eye salve so you may see. He wishes to clothe you with robes of righteousness and a garment of praise for that spirit of heaviness. Return to the Lord, says the Lord. The wise will, the fool will not. The question is, which one are you? My name is Robert Dean Steele. This is the word of the Lord for us today. You have yourself a godly day.